Now we will explore the DevOps services and different cloud providers. As you know, DevOps is getting popularity, and every cloud provider is trying their best to accommodate all the tools which is available in the market related to DevOps within their cloud providers managed service. So here I have gone through multiple cloud providers like Azure, AWS, GCP, Oracle Cloud, and IBM Cloud. So everywhere we can see the services available related to DevOps. If you see here, as I shown you when while go through day two session, we have gone through the Azure services. There are multiple categories. Here they have category like DevOps. There you can see what are the services belongs to Azure DevOps. So these are the services if you are using Microsoft Azure, so you can easily adopt the culture of DevOps with the utilization of these services. So you can implement it in your organization. Similarly, if you are working on AWS, they are having a DevOps services, but they did not define it in different category here. Under the DevOps tools, developer tools, you can see there are services like code artifact, code build, code commit, code deploy, code pipeline. These are the services belongs to DevOps domain. Similarly, if you are going uh, Similarly, if you go in GCP portal, there you will see there under the solution you have the option of DevOps. Inside that one, you will come to this page. There's space all talk about DevOps. Okay, under this one, you can come here into related services. Here you will see the cloud build, artifact registry, Tractor, Google Cloud Deploy, Operation Suite. These all belongs to DevOps. Okay, if you go to Oracle Cloud, here under the DevOps, you can see the products here, and here you will see the services which are defined in better way in comparison to other cloud provider. Here you can see for managed code repository, you can use this way how you can do it. There is a hands-on lab as well available for free. You can register and get the access. So these are the things. Similarly, if you go to IBM Cloud, they did not define the services individually, but they had provided the solution how to implement like plan, build, verify, release, deploy, monitor. These all things. So the thing is, everybody is trying to adopt DevOps domain and trying to offer services which are related to DevOps. So as an organization, they don't want to lose you. Like if you planning for DevOps, and if they will not have, then definitely you will switch your contact with the different cloud provider, right? So you can understand if they are thinking about it, then definitely we need to think about it. We should learn DevOps with the cloud. We can't go alone with the DevOps or alone with the cloud. DevOps with the cloud is the best combination nowadays we can see.